Founded in 1976, Wuxi Zhanghua Pharmaceutical Equipment Company Limited has a history of more than 30 years. It is a company specialized in manufacturing drying equipment for fine chemical industry and pharmaceutical industry. The main products of the company include low energy consumption aseptic spray drying unit, double cone rotary vacuum drying unit, filter washer 2-in-1 equipment, groove type vacuum drying unit, filter washer dryer 3-in-1 equipment. The filter washer dryer 3-in-1 equipment of our company can replace the filtering and drying equipment such as extract filter, press filter, double cone dryer, drying oven, etc., so that the whole process of filtering, washing, drying, and solid discharging can be completed in one set of equipment. It is the best equipment for filtration and drying in such industries as pharmaceutical, chemical industry, fertilizer, food, etc. It can realize fully closed, whole-course continuous operation and production, and is suitable for products with aseptic requirements and production of poisonous products. The operation procedures are as follows. Feeding. Open the feeding valve to feed product to the vessel. During the feeding, the blending blade is at a high position. Whenever necessary, the blending blade can be lowered for low speed, counterclockwise blending, so as to make the product distributed evenly. The feeding stops when the product reaches the position stipulated in the process. Close the feeding valve. Filtering mother liquid. Increase pressure in the vessel to carry out pressure filtration or suction filtration and separate the mother liquid and product. At the time, the blending blade is at a high position. Washing. The washing solution enters the tank through the cleaning ball or the inlet of washing solution. When the washing solution is under the pressure of 0.2 to approximately 0.3 MPa, the rotary spray nozzle carries out washing. At the time, the blending blade is still at a high position. Slurry washing. The feeding of washing solution stops after certain amount of it enters. Gradually lower the blending blade and carry out slurry washing at an appropriate rotation speed counterclockwise. The blending blade carries out repetitive and continuous blending from upward to downward. Filtering. After washing is finished, lift the blending blade to an appropriate position. Stop blending and discharge the filtrate from the bottom. Repeat the filtration operation until the product washing meets the requirements. After filtration is finished, lift the blending blade to leave the product. Step move to lower the blending blade slowly depending on the convex or concave situation of product surface, so as to make the blending blade close to the materials. Level the product through the rotation of blending blade clockwise. After the product are leveled, lift the blade to be about 20 millimeters away from the filter cake surface. Drying. 1. First open the hot water inlet and outlet valves. Then open the balancing valve and finally open the vacuum valve. 2. The balancing valve shall be opened in advance when drying under vacuum to ensure the pressure balance on the sintered plate. 3. Slowly open the jacket water inlet valve and slightly open the water outlet valve. Fully open them until the inlet and outlet temperature difference is less than 20 degrees centigrade so that cavitation vibration is avoided. When the blending blade falls to be close the product surface, turn it slowly counterclockwise. Control the gas phase temperature, solid phase temperature, i.e. upper and lower temperature, and heating medium temperature according to the technological requirements. During the drying, the upper and lower temperature difference will gradually decrease. The lower temperature shall be controlled not to be close to the final control temperature. The vacuum degree will be enhanced with the moisture decreasing. During the drying, the rotation speed shall be mainly slow. The blade should not be started in the product. Therefore, the blade shall be kept away from the materials when it is started and stopped. Product discharging. Take samples from the sampling nozzle for analysis before product discharging. Be prepared to discharge the product if the analysis result is okay. First, close the heating water valve and slowly open the cooling water valve. Slowly lower the blending blade, blend the product, and accelerate cooling. At the time, the vacuum pump can be opened for vacuum pumping and hot air discharging. First, fill pure nitrogen before opening the discharging valve to protect the balance. When the pressure is atmospheric pressure, discharge the product from the discharging valve through the reverse thrust action produced by the rotation of blending blade, counterclockwise. Cleaning. After product discharging is finished, when the product are changed, the equipment shall be subjected to complete spray cleaning. Through passing the cleaning ball through the cleaning solution, the blending blade can be opened for blending and cleaning. After the inner vessel cleaning is finished, loosen the bottom plate bolts, lower and remove the bottom plate and clean it. One pass operation is completed.